In this video, I'll cover what is included in our Real Estate Photographer Pro marketing kit. So in a Real Estate Photographer Pro marketing kit, we have branded and unbranded items. You will have a branded and unbranded website. I'll go into more detail on that in just a few seconds. You will have printed materials. All of these items can be edited. We will set everything up for you. Then if you need to make changes, we can help you with that. You have about 40 pieces of marketing content that is pre-made for you, saving you a lot of time. You have social media reels, stories, and posts for TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. You also have content for YouTube. We'll have that in just a second. You have pre-made templates for just listed, taking you through the sales cycle. You have posts for won't last long. And again, you can click in and edit these. These are downloadable content pieces that you can post on your social media. New listing, open house, sold, just a creative section where you can, it's kind of open-ended what you want to place in that text. You have Facebook post, a Pinterest post. And again, all of this goes on your social media to promote you, the real estate agent. You have pre-made social media video slideshows. And these are using the most favorite items in the photo selections, not using every photo. In this loop, it's 25 seconds there. This one's about, because there's so many photos, it's 7 minutes. And then you have, and these are designed to go on different social medias. Again, you can download these, you can edit, then download. So if you need to make changes, we can click in here and rebuild that video slideshow for you. So all of that is included in the marketing kit, and the marketing kit is included in our packages. Let me show you a website. Here's one of our websites. This one, I've pulled up the unbranded version. So it has a header. If it had property features like a home, this one on this particular website, they are just promoting the land. We can place a video in the website. All the photos are there. You can click in and go through the photos. Shareable website. Let me go to one more website for you. I'll go to this one right here. So this one, we're mainly promoting the home and the pool. Got your community information, printable flyers, schools, local information, photos for marketing the home. This home did not have a video, so there's no video playing in this, but you have the pre-made video slideshows that are in your marketing kit, contact information, and a map to the property. So the websites are branded and unbranded. Let me pull up the unbranded version. So this would be the unbranded for the same property. Got a hero shot at the beginning. Portfolio photos here for the property. So you can click through and go through those. By the way, all of our photos are delivered next day. Videos are delivered within 3 to 5 days. So all of that is included in our marketing kit. So you get a branded, unbranded websites, printable flyers, pre-made social media posts for every different situation and covering the complete sales cycle. All those can be downloaded. They can be edited. And you also get video slideshows to cover your YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram, and more. All right. Thank you.